Morning everyone. Welcome to CR Maths class. Previous class we have completed level 2 problems up to 31. Now 32. Read the question. The equation log 3 minus x to the base 2 plus log 1 minus x to the base 2 that is equal to 3 has how many roots are there? So we need to find. See, logarithm of 3 minus x to the base 2 plus logarithm 1 minus x to the base 2 that is equal to 3. This is in the form of log a plus log b. What is the formula of that? Log ab. So 3 minus x into 1 minus x to the base 2 that is equal to 3. By using logarithmic definition, 3 minus x into 1 minus x that is equal to 2 cube. Okay, now calculate here 3 minus 3x minus x plus x square that is equal to 8. Now x square minus 4x, right hand side plus 8 is set. Send to left hand side. 3 minus 8 minus 5 that is equal to 0. Now here split into factors. X square minus 5x plus x minus 5 is equal to 0. So first two terms take x common, we get x minus 5 plus remaining two terms take 1 common. Finally, x plus 1 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now what are the x values, students, here? Minus 1 comma 5. We got two values, but don't mark the answer. Two roots. Okay, so out of these two roots, how many are exist? See here, 3 minus x. In place of x, take 5. 3 minus x, that is equal to 3 minus 5. We are getting minus 2. Logarithm does not exist for negative value. That's why this is not exist. But x is equal to minus 1, substitute in both the places. Both are getting positive only. Finally, which one is exist? Only x is equal to minus 1 exist. So finally, what is the answer, students? Only one root. First option, correct. The number of real roots of sine of 2 power x into cos of 2 power x, that is equal to 1 by 4 into 2 power x plus 2 power minus x is. Now first, sine 2 power x cos 2 power x is equal to 1 by 4. 4 I am writing 2 into 2. 2 power x plus 2 power minus x. 1 to send left hand side. 2 sine 2 power x cos 2 power x, that is equal to 2 power x plus 2 power minus x by 2. Okay, 2 sine theta cos theta. What is the formula? Sine 2 theta now. Sine 2 into 2 power x. Here 2 power x plus 2 power minus x by 2. We know that arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. Okay. So what is arithmetic mean? A plus b by 2 is greater than or equal to root ab. A means take 2 power x. B means 2 power minus x divided by 2. Greater than or equal to under root 2 power x into 2 power minus x. Here bases are equal, power should be adding. Overall 2 power 0, that is root 1, we get 1. That means this value always greater than or equal to 1. See here, sine 2 into 2 power x, that is 2 power x plus 1. It is always greater than or equal to 1. But here, sine of 2 power x plus 1 cannot be equal to 1. This is not possible to get equal to 1. So therefore, finally, sine of 2 power x plus 1, it is greater than 1. But we know that sine theta range, how much? Sine theta is belongs to closed minus 1 comma 1. It cannot be exceed 1, cannot be less than minus 1. So finally here we got sine of 2 power x plus 1 is greater than 1. So therefore we can say that no solution. No solution. Fourth option correct. See the 34th question. What they are given? The equation e power sin x minus e power minus sin x minus 4 is equal to 0 has infinite number of real roots, no real roots, exactly one real root, exactly 4 real roots. How many number of real roots we need to find? Here let e power sin x that is equal to t. Exponential function always greater than 0. Remember it. Now substitute here. E power sin x means t minus e power minus sin x. That is 1 by e power sin x. So we get 1 by t minus 4 is equal to 0. Take LCM, t square minus 1 minus 4t divided by t. So denominator is and right hand side. Now finally t square minus 4t minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now t square minus 4t minus 1. This is quadratic equation. Factors are possible. I think not possible here. Factors. Go to formula method. T is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. 2 into 1. 4 plus or minus root 20 divided by 2. So root 20 means how to write? 2 root 5. 4 plus or minus 2 root 5 divided by 2. Then finally we get 2 plus or minus root 5. This is t. T means what? E power Sin x only, e power sin x. Okay, but here e power sin x equal to 2 plus root 5. But 2 minus root 5, it is less than 0, not exist, because exponential function is positive. Positive, it cannot be negative. So 2 minus root 5 is negative. That's why no need to consider. Now by using logarithmic definition, sin x is equal to logarithm of 2 plus root 5 to the base e. So sin x value log 2 plus root 5 to the base e. So logarithm of 2 plus root 5, it is not a real number. It is not a real number. This is not a real number. Real number. So finally, we can say that no real roots. No real roots. The real value of a, for which x square plus I into a minus 1 into x plus 5 equal to 0, will have a pair of conjugate complex roots. A pair of conjugate complex roots. So those roots I am taking like this. Let alpha, that is equal to p plus I cube, and beta p minus I cube. These are conjugate complex numbers. Sum of the roots alpha plus beta. Observe that minus I into a minus 1. This is, by observing the quadratic equation, I am written sum of the roots. So alpha means p plus I cube plus beta means p minus I cube. That is equal to minus I into a minus 1. Now IQ cancel. 2p is equal to minus I into a minus 1. So p plus or minus I cube. These are complex, but their sum is real. Their sum is real. Or product also real only. Product also real only. Remember it. P plus IQ is a complex. Then sum or product we get real. So sum of the roots, how much we got here? 2p. 2p is real. Is real. When it is real, a minus 1 is equal to 0. All real numbers are complex numbers only, but all complex numbers not real numbers. The given complex number is exactly real means imaginary part 0. Imaginary part means I coefficient only. This part 0 means then only possible to get real. So a minus 1 is equal to 0. Then what is a value? 1. A value 1. So here they are asking the real value of a. So answer is second option. 13th question in level 3. The quadratic equations. Oh, this is a common root related. Okay. So I will go to another question. Now this is 22. This is a level 3 related problem. level 3. Very, very important problem, previous mains question as well as MCET also. See here what they given. Alpha, beta are roots of the equation x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then what is alpha and beta value? Here, if alpha value is omega, beta value is omega square, substitute in that equation. First, I am going to substitute alpha value. So we get omega square plus omega plus 1 is equal to 0. It is satisfied or not? In case substitute omega square whole square plus omega square plus 1 is equal to omega square whole square, omega power 4. Omega power 4 value, omega only. It is also satisfied or not? Finally, we will say that alpha, beta, omega are roots of the given equation. Okay. Next, see the date 3. Next, 1 plus S1. Here one condition given, Sn. Sn is equal to alpha power n plus beta power n. Okay. S1 means what? S1 means alpha plus beta. S2 means alpha square plus beta square. Next, 1 plus alpha plus beta. 1 plus alpha square plus beta square. 1 plus alpha cube plus beta cube. Now here 1 plus alpha square plus beta square. 1 plus alpha cube plus beta cube. 1 plus alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. This is the expansion. Now, the product of two determinants, we get like this. See here, I will write product of two determinants. 1, 1, 1 in this first determinant. Second determinant 1, 1, 1. Do the multiplication of two determinants. 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. We're getting 3 or not? Next, here I am writing 1 alpha beta. 1 alpha beta. See that? First row, second column. We get this term. Yes or no? Next, first row, third column. Third column I am writing 1 alpha square beta square. First row, third column, multiply. You will get this. Okay. Now I am going to second row. Second row we can write like this. 1 alpha beta. Second row, first column, this term will come. Second row, second column, this will come. Second row, third column, this will come. Understood? Right. Now I am going to third row. 1 alpha square beta square. Third row, first column, you will get this. Third row, second column. Third row, fourth column. Students understood? Yes. Now here 1, 1, 1. 1. What is alpha? Omega. What is beta? Omega square. 1. Alpha square. Alpha omega means alpha square also. Alpha square omega square. Beta is omega square. Then beta square, that is omega power 4. Omega power 4 value is omega. Okay. So finally, alpha square is omega square. Beta square omega into second date 1 1 1 1 omega omega square 1 omega square omega. See clearly here, both the dates are same. Both the dates are same or not? Now 1 1 1 1 omega omega square 1 omega square omega whole square. Now we need to find this value. Take separately 1 1 1 1 omega omega square 1 omega square omega. Expand this date 1 into omega square minus omega power 4 minus 1 into omega minus omega square plus 1 into omega square minus omega. Now students observe here, omega square minus omega power 4 means omega minus omega plus omega square minus omega. Now here we are getting 3 omega square minus 3 omega. So 3 take common, we get omega square minus omega. How we get omega square minus omega value? So x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then what are the roots? X square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is minus 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. Okay, here alpha value, so that means omega value, omega. Okay, alpha value, what is that? Minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. Then beta value, minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Okay, if both subtract means here alpha value I am taken omega, beta value omega square. This is omega, this is omega square. Now here we need beta minus alpha. How much, students? Minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2 minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. Overall, see that what we get. What we get? LCM. What is LCM here? 2 minus 1 plus 1 cancel, minus I root 3 by 2. Okay, so here we get overall minus I root 3. This is beta minus alpha. But here 3 into beta minus alpha now. 3 omega square minus omega. That is equal to 3 into beta minus alpha. Here 3 into, we get like this. Substitute here, minus I 3 root 3 whole square. How much? How much this? Minus 27 is the answer. So which option correct, students? Minus 27. Second option correct.